Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. If you didn't know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. And we are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We also cover all styles of trading. We day trade, we swing trade. We also talk about long-term investing. There's something literally for everybody at True Trading Group. Why should you listen to anything it is that I discuss on this channel? It's because I did not figure this stuff out on my own, watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college in New York City, where they had me go through an educational training program before they let me touch $1 of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading moderators and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We have over 10,000 members in 115 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button and show some love. Turn on your notifications. Obviously, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I go live on this channel usually 5-6 days a week. This is a little trading recap video that I'm giving you guys on the day with a wonderful lesson on AMD today. AMD is one of our favorite holdings in the long-term portfolio. That stock broke out to a new all-time high today, going to just incredible heights on a massive breakout candle today on the daily chart. But even from the long-term portfolio stuff, which AMD is in the TTG long-term portfolio, it's done very, very, very well for us. There's also a really great lesson that I'm going to cover with you as it relates to the day trade. And this was a stock that was traded today inside of True Trading Group, was a big winner for a lot of members. It was a great day inside of the platform, inside the community, as AMD ripped to new all-time highs. Now, obviously, like I said, those that are holding on in the long term are very happy to see the stock make new all-time highs. But even if you didn't have it in your long-term portfolio, there was an opportunity for you to capitalize on an over 100% gain today on call options to the upside with a beautiful chart setup. And the setup and the lesson I'm going to go over with you guys on this video recap right here has everything to do with how to determine which indicators are in play and how to identify high probability buy zones. This is what we're going to cover, okay? Also a confirmation signal within that buy zone to get you to actually pull the trigger. So we're going to kind of look at this in three different stages, right? Identify the relevant indicators on the day. A lot of traders will spend their entire life searching for that perfect indicator that works 100% of the time. I'm telling you that there's no such thing that exists. There is no indicator that works 100% of the time. It's our job as traders to determine which indicators are impacting the price of the stock the most, and then put together our trading game plan off of that. So I use a handful of indicators where I like to see multiple indicators converging on the same price or giving me the same signal in order to get me to pull the trigger. Those create buy zones. When those indicators line up, that's my buy zone. Then I look for price action to confirm that entry point. And then we go ahead and we pull the trigger. And that's exactly the lesson that we're going to talk about here with AMD. Before I get into this lesson, though, I want to make sure that you guys are able to I want to invite you really not to just sit here and watch this video, learn from it, and try to implement it on your own, which I'm going to give you guys this anyway. And I want you to really pay attention because this is some stuff that can help you as early as tomorrow. But I want to invite you to actually experience it real time when moderators are actually entering and exiting positions and hear the analysis live in real time instead of just after the fact. Anybody can come on a YouTube channel and say, hey, this is what happened today. I want you to experience it for yourself in real time. So I'm going to actually invite you guys to join our 7-day trial. It's 7 trading days. The weekends don't count. So you can join now and not worry about Saturday or Sunday taking up your trial. It's 7 full trading days with myself, the 9 professional traders, and the 10,000 members of True Trading Group. You'll be able to, follow along with everything that we're doing, really experience what it's like to be part of our community. Go to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelt out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay $3, join our trial. Why do we charge $3? Great question. Is it because we're trying to get rich off of a $3 trial? No, of course not. We charge $3 just to make sure that you're a real person and you're serious about this. Because if you're going to put in your credit card information, then it means you really are serious about this. We maintain a very high quality chat room during the day. I will not jeopardize the integrity and the quality of that chat room with thousands of members on our platform at any given moment during the day, focused on one simple thing, and that's making money. I don't want people coming in there being distractive, disruptive, being offensive while we're trying to trade throughout the course of the day. Okay. So that's why it's not free. I don't want you coming in and spamming a bunch of crap in chat. Okay. By paying the $3 lets me know that you're serious about this. And if you're serious about it, we're serious about it. We'd love to have you inside the community. So go to ttgthree.com, name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, pay the $3, get your button chat. Now, it is a one-time payment of $3. There is no automatic upgrade. It's not like, oh, I forgot to cancel my trial. Now all of a sudden I'm charged for an annual membership. No, we don't play games like that. After your trial is over, you don't have to do anything. It simply expires. You never charge anything again. If you want to become an annual member of True Trading Group after your trial, you have to manually do that yourself. There will be no automatic upgrade. There's no automatic or no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic renewal or anything like that. It's 7 days, then it expires. You never charge anything again. You're the best damn $3 you've ever spent in your life. You've all spent more than $3 for a cup of coffee. I guarantee it. Go to ttgthree.com, join our trial. I'll see you guys in chat for tomorrow. All right. And again, it's 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days. All right. Let's head on now over to AMD. Now, AMD, first things first, you'll notice that we had this double top, right? This double top all-time high, right? There it is. There's one top. There's your other top, right? So there's a double top all-time high in AMD, right? So there it is. Today, we broke through that. Now, I'm going to leave this line on my screen. Now we're going to switch to a 3-minute chart, okay? There's the opening candle on AMD. Now, what you'll notice very early on, and this is what I mean about it's our job as traders to determine which indicators are relevant for a particular day. And what you'll see is right off the opening bell, you can see this orange line on my screen. That's your VWAP indicator. This orange line on your screen right off the opening bell, the first 30 minutes of the day, showing you that VWAP is a level of support, right? There's your all-time high. There's VWAP showing you a level of support. Well, you end up breaking through that all-time high. Oh, look at that. There's another retest of that orange line. And there you can see we find support again, and we break through your all-time high, right? So here's the previous all-time high. Again, I'll go back to the daily chart just to show you. There's the previous all-time high. Now you've broken it, okay? So now you've broken through that level, right? Now that we know VWAP is a significant indicator on the day, we look for a situation where that VWAP lines up with another support signal to give us what's called a buy zone. So now that we know VWAP is your indicator, well, here's the previous all-time high that we just broke above. Now we look for, okay, well, now you look for the previous all-time high to be support. Well, you'll see that later on in the day, you pulled back into your VWAP and your previous all-time high. Now, this VWAP indicator, remember, showed us that it was significant early in the day. Then it lines up with the previous all-time high, and that creates a buy zone. So right here becomes your buy zone on AMD. Okay, I'll highlight it in green for you. Okay, this now becomes your buy zone, right? That's your buy zone. Okay. Once a stock reaches your buy zone, let me go back. Let's make sure you guys fully understand this. Okay. How do you identify the buy zone? Well, first, what indicator or indicators are relevant on the day? Check VWAP early. We see that. Then you want to see it line up with another indicator or indicators to create a buy zone. In this case, we know VWAP is significant, and then VWAP lines up with previous all-time high. That's what creates the buy zone. Okay. Once that buy zone is created, we want to see when the price enters the buy zone, is there any confirmation signal? Okay. And in this case, let me delete the inside green just so you guys can see this pretty easily. I want to make sure you guys can all see this. You can all see the tail that gets put in here. See this big tail that gets put in here? So you would drop all the way down here and then right back up. That's a bottoming tail. That price, this is a 3-minute chart, by the way. That bottoming tail price action is the confirmation signal that you need to confirm this buy zone is in fact a level of support. And you can go ahead now and you can enter your position long. You set your stop loss just underneath that level. There's your entry. There's your stop loss. And then the rest is history. Okay. The rest is history as you're making new highs right now. As I'm making this recap video, it's just before 8 o'clock and new high 196.17 being put in here in the after hours session on AMD. But never mind that. I want to go back and I want you to really focus on this. This is the type of education that you guys are going to get as a member of True Trading Group. It's also the analysis that you'll get in real time as a member. And if you can't be in front of your computer, don't worry about it. We have a mobile app that's available on iPhone and Android for our members. 82% of our members have full-time jobs, right? So they can't be in front of their computers all day long. Just download the mobile app on your phone. You will be notified in real time via push notification when our moderators enter and exit positions. You can also listen into the audio analysis and commentary throughout the day, as well as see the screen share that the moderators are sharing with you throughout the day. You see what what all of our moderators are looking at. You can toggle through our screens and you can see exactly what we're doing and exactly what we're looking at. But more importantly, for those of you that can't be watching your computer, getting notified in real time when our orders actually execute is big. Okay. And that's how so many of our members that have full-time jobs are able to still benefit from the platform, from the community. But that's the lesson. Again, early indication, VWAP is significant, orange line. Now that we've got that confirmation, we look for it to converge with another support indicator. In this situation, it was the previous all-time high. Again, there it is. There's your previous, this is daily chart now. That's previous all-time high. This is a daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day. There's previous all-time high. Now let's go back to 3-minute. Each candle represents 3 minutes. You broke through all-time high. Here's that line. And then you dropped back into it, right? So now VWAP lines up with that previous high. That creates the buy zone. Then you look for a confirmation signal. This strong bottoming tail is the confirmation signal. There's your actual buy. Your stop loss gets set then underneath, and you let the trade ride itself out, right? Turns out to be a monster trade for members in TTG. It was a big afternoon as AMD went on to make a new high of the day, also a new all-time high. And right now, as the after hours session is coming to a close, AMD is finishing out at the dead high, 196.26, dead high print, finishing out the day for AMD. And there you guys have it, right? So there's the lesson. This is what you guys could expect from True Trading Group. If anything I said to you is kind of over your head, don't worry about it. You get to learn this stuff like the back of your hand when you guys do join. If what I said to you makes sense, think about the trade. Think about what you're going to be able to do with your trading by getting this type of analysis in real time and getting this type of education on a daily basis. I welcome you to come see it for yourself. Don't take my word for it that we crushed this AMD trade inside a chat today. Don't take my word for it. Come experience it for yourself. Start catching some of these moves. Start listening to the analysis. Start receiving those lessons. Go to ttgthree.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. Fill out the form. Pay the $3. Join us. Remember, it's a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic upgrade to a full membership. It is just 7 trading days, then it expires. You're never charged anything again. ttgthree.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. Fill out the form. Pay the $3. Best damn $3 you've ever spent. Have a wonderful rest of your night. I hope you guys learned something from this lesson. Hope it makes sense. Hope it helps you guys make money maybe as early as tomorrow. Subscribe to that channel and smash that like button to show some love. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great night.